long before maps were drawn, before villages had names, before history was carved in stone. There was only forest. 12,000 years ago, deep in what we now call Southeast Asia, a small tribe lived at the edge of a vast rainforest. The jungle was alive, filled with towering trees, heavy mist, and unseen eyes watching from above. Among the tribe was a young hunter named Arik. He was brave, but not yet respected. To prove himself, he ventured alone into the forest, a place elders warned him about, because high in the trees lived powerful beings, the forest people, the orangutans. As Arik moved deeper into the jungle, he heard branches shaking above him. Suddenly, a loud crack. A young orangutan fell from the canopy, crashing into vines below. It cried out in pain. Arik froze. High above, a massive adult orangutan roared in warning, shaking the treetops. The young one was injured, tangled in vines. Arik could walk away. Slowly, carefully, he cut the vines. The young orangutan stared at him, confused, frightened, but alive. The great adult orangutan climbed down halfway, watching, its eyes locked onto Arik's. There was no attack, only tension. Arik stepped back, lowering his spear, showing open hands. The forest grew silent. The adult orangutan approached the injured young one, touching it gently. Then something unexpected happened. The great ape looked back at Arik, not with rage, but with recognition. A silent agreement had been made. Days later, Arik returned. He did not come with weapons raised. He brought fruit. He left it near the same tree and stepped back. From above, the young orangutan appeared again, moving slowly but healing. It descended carefully. It took the fruit and did not run. Over time, Arik learned something incredible. The orangutans knew the forest better than any human. They showed him hidden fruit trees, water sources during dry season, safe paths through dangerous terrain. Arik was no longer walking alone. One violent night, a tropical storm struck. Winds howled, trees cracked. Arik became separated from his tribe, lost, injured. Rain blinded him. Then, through the thunder, a familiar call echoed. The young orangutan appeared above, moving from branch to branch, waiting, biding. Arik followed as best he could. The ape led him toward a massive tree with natural shelter beneath its roots. There, protected from wind and flood, Arik survived the night. The forest had returned the kindness. Arik returned to his tribe with a story no one believed, until they saw it themselves. High in the trees, orangutans no longer threw branches at the humans near their camp. Instead, there was distance, awareness, respect. The tribe began protecting certain forest areas. They stopped hunting near nesting trees. Over generations, stories were passed down of the time when a human and a forest giant chose trust over fear. Today, in the deep jungles of Borneo and Sumatra, orangutans still watch from the tree.